Even though all hell broke loose around here, Gun is keeping things simple. In fact, Gun Acura, Gun Honda, Gun Infiniti, and Gun Nissan are making things easy for you by discounting vehicles with minor damage in the recent hailstorm. With hail damage discounts, one simple price, a 48-hour return policy, and a simple car buying experience, it doesn't get any easier or prices any lower. Stop by today or visit gunauto.com. Real simple.